Saturday.
No, she just likes to keep pictures of the dance team in her phone.
Like, do we go? Oh, okay.
Thank you, Dancing Blues. And at this time, we would like to introduce the 2011 homecoming candidates. Our first Queen candidate is Miss Brooke Beckler. Brooke is the daughter of Carla and Tony Beckler. Brooke was nominated by Corral. Brooke is being escorted by our first King candidate, Mr. Bradley Barnes. Bradley is the son of Patsy and Douglas Barnes. Bradley was nominated by the cross-country team. Our next Queen candidate is Ms. Hannah Hanley. She is the daughter of Patty and Jeff Hanley. Hannah was nominated by FCIA. Our next King candidate is Mr. Brandon Dozier. Brandon is the son of Shannon Ferris and Joey Dozier. He was nominated by the football team. Our next Queen candidate is Ms. Kim Owen. Kim is the daughter of Cindy and Brad Owen. She was nominated by National Honor Society. Our next King candidate is Mr. Lane Wheeler. Lane is the son of Heather and Carl Wheeler. He was nominated by Corral. Our next Queen candidate is Miss Molly Rockefeller. Molly is the daughter of Mayor and John Rockefeller. She was nominated by Student Council. Our next King candidate is Mr. Calvin Madsen. Calvin is the son of Melanie and Gary Madsen. He was nominated by National Honor Society. Our next Queen candidate is Ms. Shelby Sartorius. Shelby is the daughter of Debbie and Randy Sartorius. She was nominated by the Dancing Blues. Mr. Sean Sewell is our next King candidate. Sean is the son of Lynette and Scott Sewell, and he was nominated by Journalism. Our final Queen candidate is Miss Kaylee Taylor. Kaylee is the daughter of Julie and Jeff Taylor, and she was nominated by the tennis team. Our final King candidate is Mr. Ryan Wynn. Ryan is the son of Cindy and Alan Wynn, and he was nominated by Student Council and FCIA. Our royalty crowning will take place at halftime of the football game tonight. As you know, our football team will be playing Highland Park tonight at 7 p.m. And here is the coach of our 3-1 football team, Coach Derek Hamas.
Malfunction. There's a surprise. No surprise.
What's that supposed Ask West. Don't ask White.
Test. There we go. Can I have the football team stand up, please? Ninth graders included. Right now, we've got a combined record.
Austin, you're ugly.
We're 7-4 right now throughout the program. These guys are working really hard, and we look forward to coming out here tonight and doing a great job. Students, we'd love to see you out here again. We think we've got the best atmosphere in the state. Come out and give us some more support. On behalf of the team, we want to wish all the candidates good luck tonight. We want to make sure that we give you our best effort and bring a victory home. Thank you. Good luck, Coach Thomas and the football team tonight. That will make for a good homecoming if we beat Highland Park. Next, our cheerleading squad, under the direction of Amanda Provorse, will perform. Thanks, cheerleaders. And now, it's time for a friendly competition between some members of our staff and members of our
Oh my God.
For our homecoming Friday Night Lights competition today, we'll pit our students against our staff in a football-type obstacle course. Representing our student body is Ethan Pope, Sadie Kincaid, Jack Meyer, Alyssa Hughes, and Shelby O'Neill. Representing our staff is Donna, the Dodger Dodge, Amanda Provorse, Clint, I'm Too Quick Robinson, Ashley Mahoney, and Jeff, I'm Too Loud Hanley. Okay, here's what our contestants will be doing. Station 1, the groups will try to hike 2 footballs through hula hoops. In Station 2, the contestants will take down 2 football dummies and hop through the ladder. And in Station 3, each participant will drink a full baby bottle of Gatorade. In Station 4, they will throw a football 15 yards and their teammate must catch it before it hits the ground. In the last station, the participants will run the football over the goal line and perform their famous touchdown dance. The team to finish first will win. If both teams are ready, are we ready?